Hi everyone, Kevin here from Pebble, and today we're going to teach you how to use templates to generate documents automatically for your properties. So let's dive in. First, I'll sign into my account and then we'll go to the templates page. So we'll click Add Template and then we'll be taken to the template library. Here is a list of templates that Pebble has provided for you, and we're going to pick one of these to start with. So in this case, we're going to create an inbound sale and purchase contract. So this would be a contract used to purchase a property from a seller. If you wanted to sell a property to a buyer, you would use the outbound sale and purchase contract. And that just changes who is the grantee or the grantor. In this one, you are the grantee. And in this one, you are the grantor. So we'll use the inbound sales and purchase contract. Next, we'll want to customize our template. The first thing we'll do is give it a name. Maybe we'll call this default inbound purchase contract. And then down here is where we can edit the document itself. So you'll notice a few things up in the controls here. We've got the standard text editor controls like bolds, underlines, alignment. You can change your font sizes. You can even change your font, the font that you're using if you would like to. And you can also change color of the text and background if you'd like to as well. On the second line here, we've got the ability to insert images. This can be helpful if you've got like a logo that you want to put in the template. You can insert a table. This is very useful if you want to, say, have like a checkbox table of who's going to pay for what. We've actually inserted one for you here. So you've got a nice table that you can put the buyer and seller responsibilities on. And then we come to a very important part, and this is the placeholder information. So you'll see that throughout this document, we've got these little squiggly lines and then some sort of placeholder name. Now, when we come to actually generating a document, we're going to replace these squiggly lines with the property information that will be replaced here. So if we wanted to put in, say, the closing date, we could select Insert Placeholder and insert the closing date, and then that would just be printed out right here. So we encourage you to read through everything, certainly consult legal advice, and customize this template to your needs. Once you're happy with the template, you can go down here to the preview button, and this is going to just put some dummy data into the template so that you can see what it might potentially look like. So let me bring over the template that it downloaded, or the document that it downloaded. So we've got some dummy data like the purchase price, a seller and buyer, and all of the information is replaced here. So we've got the seller address and my buyer. So everything is looking as it should. And once you're satisfied with the preview, you can go over here and click Save. And now we've got that default inbound and sale purchase contract ready to go. So the next step is to go over to the properties screen. And let's say we wanted to buy a property from this person here. So we'll go in and find that property. Then we'll go over here to the document screen, and we're going to click this Add a New Document. This is going to ask us to select one of our templates, and this is our template here, the default inbound sale and purchase contract. And this will pre-populate all of the information from this property. So the county name, state, property code, legal information, a price, which is just the offer price that we made. And this can all be customized here. So you can go in, and if you negotiated a different price, you can type in a different price here. If there are more than one signatures on a document, you can add one per line. So let's say we've got Joe Brooks and Sally Brooks, and it's going to create the signature lines for each one of these people. We've got the seller address, seller phone we'll type in, and just a file name. This is just what it will name the file when you download it to your computer. So again, we've got the option to preview here, so we'll click preview. This is going to generate the contract, which I can bring over here. And there we go. We can see that our price was input correctly. We've got the legal description, the parcel number, the table, and then we've got the multiple signature lines here as well. So if everything looks good, you can go over here and click Save, and this will actually generate the document permanently and put it under the Documents tab on your property page. So that's the document. From here, you can download this document at any time if you need to upload it to say a signing service, or you want to print it out. Another option that you have is to send a mailing of a document. So any document within Pebble can be mailed to a recipient. So you'll click that Add Mailing button, and then this is going to ask you what type of mailing you want, if you want it to be color, and then address placement. So this would be, typically you'll want to, for a document like this, you'll want to do insert a blank page. But if you have space at the very top of your document where an address can be printed, you can click top of first page, and that will just print the address right there on the top of the first page of the document. You'll then fill out the address information and click send, and that will mail that document to the recipient, and then it will show that document, including a delivery date and information about that. It'll just be listed right here. And if we go back to the documents list on our property, we'll see that contract is there, and we can view and download it at any time. So today we showed you how to create templates and use those templates to generate documents for your properties. If you have any questions about anything you saw here today, you can reach out to us via our knowledge base. You can just click this Need Help link here, and there's a contact form right on that site if you need to reach out to us. Or you can reach out to us on Facebook. We're always here to help. So with that, happy land hunting, and we'll see you in the next one.